think it would be really fun to be a computer programmer. Also, I like doing stuff like I'm really excited to make an app, or I just love experimenting with the computer and stuff like that.
I mean, I kind of want to be like a mechanical engineer when I'm older, so maybe coding will probably like help me with that, you know.
Now that I've been to this camp, now I want to learn more about computers and stuff like that.
Okay, so what I like about code is that you get to like create stuff and you get a sense of accomplishment when something works out finally after trying it and seeing what's going wrong and trying to fix it.
Well, when you're coding, you get to make things, so whatever you imagine or what you like to do, you can put that into your code and make a game or an animation or something that other people can see and maybe feel what you felt about that sort of stuff. So it's something you can share with others, but not everyone can do.
So on Monday, depending on what level you're at, you were working on basic code.org or Scratch or MIT App Inventor. You know, those basic using the block coding instead of actual typing coding. So then from there on, you can split off into the Cave of Code and refine those coding skills. The icebreaker we used was coding lab rats. So it got that intro of specific information, how you have to tell them exactly what you want them to do rather than just general information like go outside. You have to define the parameters, tell them exactly what motions are necessary, all that kind of stuff.
For technology goddesses here, it's very important that people find what they enjoy about coding, whether it's actually creating it, the problem solving of it, because once you see the joys of coding, you're hooked. That I actually enjoy coding. I love the problem solving of it. I love figuring out what's wrong, getting it to work, and then it works. I mean, it is definitely troubleshooting, and there's pros and cons to it, because if I can't figure it out, then it doesn't work.
You know, what can you do in life when you learn how to code? Just about anything. It's like a language. Once you learn a language, you can move mountains. I also enjoy camp because we're teaching kids how to do all sorts of things, camp skills, coding skills, everything. But how we inspire coding is by providing the tools and environment, and the older kids teach the younger kids.
Well, the discipline of coding not only helps computers work, but it helps us to think more methodologically and break down a problem into its interim steps, solve the problem, test solutions. And so it's really incumbent on all of us to learn how to code just for the fact that we can do work better, whether it's technical work or not. Well, girls are not necessarily inclined to go into STEM because they don't see the creative parts, but the more that you can learn about coding, the more you can create whatever you want, whether it's an app to do, well, just about anything.
We are technology goddesses, Camp of Code.